Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Harsh Kesavani.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Vivek Singh.
Okay. Your names are Harsh Kesarwani and Vivek Singh.
Yes.
Okay. Harsh Kesarwani, your code is 10th A, and Vivek, your code is 10th B. Okay. So at first, Harsh Kesarwani, please tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Harsh Kesavani. I am class 12 commerce. My father's name is Mr. Syamnan Kesavani. He is a businessman, and my mother name is Mrs. Kamla Kesavani, and she is a housemaker. I live in Pasim Sera Kosambi. My hobby is watching television and family serials.
Okay. And what's your ambition of life?
Sir, my ambition of life that I want to become a chartered accountant in my future.
Okay, very nice. Now Vivek Singh, please tell me something about yourself.
My name is Vivek Singh. My father name is Mr. Vinay Kumar Singh. My mother name is Mr. Asha Singh. She is housewife. My father is businessman.
Yeah.
I live in Rajpur.
Yes.
And my aim is to be a banker.
Okay, you want to be?
Banker.
Fine. Okay, very nice. And can you tell me something about your hometown?
Yes, sir. My hometown is famous for birthplace of our Deputy CM Keshav Pradhan Maurya.
Okay. Now we are going to our next task. This is your topic presentation task.
Yes, sir.
So Harsh Kesarwani will express his views on this topic. He will tell us about his topic, and after that, Vivek, you will ask some questions related to that topic, and also I will ask some follow-up questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let's start your topic.
Nowadays, television is the most popular means of entertainment and relaxation. It provides both entertainment and education utility. People feel that life is meaningless without it. There are various programs shown on different channels, but the family serial I like the most named Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. The show is based on the column of Duniya Da Ulta Chashma, written by columnist and journalist Tarak Mehta for the Gujarati weekly magazine named Chitkara. This show was went on air from 28 July 2008. This serial is telecasted at 8:30 p.m. from Monday to Friday on Sub TV channel. One of my friend told me about this show and its theme. It is about the member of the society named Gokul Dham. The character have a good psychological attachment of love and sympathy for each other that makes them a member of a great family. The character are more often on the Jethalar get into the petty problem from up daily life activity that incentive in the comic manner. Whatever the nature of the problem, the member of the society encounter all the problems and extend all the possible help. This serial spread love, happiness and joy among us. That's why this show is successful continuously from 12 year and completed their 3000 plus episodes.
Okay, very nice. And now Vivek, you ask some questions.
As can you tell me why this show is famous from 12 years?
This show is successful from 12 years because it does not contain any cheap or vulgar comedy. It contains only small sensible joke or funny situation from our day-to-day life. And this show is attract more people continuously from 12 years because this show teach a lot of lesson of dignity, unity and friendship.
Okay, Harsh, why did you choose this topic for ASL?
Sir, I want to choose my SL topic from our day-to-day life activity, and I love to watch Tarak Mehta's episode daily. I didn't mix any episode of Tarak Mehta. That's why I want to choose my SL topic Tarak Mehta.
Okay, very nice. Now Vivek Singh, you are going to tell us about your topic. And when Vivek Singh will finish his topic, Harsh Kesarwani, you will ask some questions, and also I will ask some follow-up questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes.
Let's begin your topic.
My topic is TN India. TN India is a national campaign by Government of India. This is officially launched on 2 October 2015 at Rajghat New Delhi, where our Honorable Prime Minister,
Yeah. Mr.
Narendra Modi,
Yeah.
is in road, and it is India's biggest business drive, where 3 million government employees and students and college students of participate in this event. Under Clean India, budget has passed by yet Arun Kumar Jaitley. He has proposed 2,000 crore for this project and construct of 6,000 crore toilets in 2015-16. Under Clean India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a mission to build hygienic and healthy India.
Okay, Harsh Kesarwani, you asked some questions related to topic.
Can you tell me what is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan?
The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a mission to Clean India. It is launched on 2014.
When this vision is started and by whom?
This vision is started by our national father Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi,
Okay,
which is
father of
carried forward
nation,
from
Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation. Okay, your next topic is, next round is problem solving task. Okay, I am going to provide you a problem and information about a problem. Both of you discuss about that problem, and after that you have to find out the solution. Okay, the problem is prompt number 3. This is your problem. This is the information about the problem. You read out this problem, discuss both of you, and after that you tell me the solution.
Your friend has a hearing disability. She is teased by her classmate and is hurt and annoyed by their behavior. You feel that the matter has to be addressed before it becomes serious and affect her deeply. How can you help your friends and how do you attend? Vivek, can you tell me, Vivek, did you know that our friend named Rishabh are teased by our classmate? If anyone tried to tease or demotivate the Rishabh, then we openly oppose them and always stand with Rishabh.
yes, sir. I agree with your opinion regarding to this matter.
Vivek,
What's your opinion?
I am suggest that if our classmates continue to teach them, then we inform whole matter to our school authority, and if school
Okay.
authority does
Yeah.
not abide to
You-
do anything
Yes.
regarding to matter, then we inform Rishabh parents.
Okay. It means first of all you will go to the respective classmates. Firstly you will talk to them politely. After
Yes.
that you will go to the principal office.
we continuously
Yeah.
start to teach them.
Okay, very nice. This is your end of the assessment. Thank you very much. You have done your assessment very well, and now you may go now.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.